Howdy folks, today we're going to talk about the Ajazz K870T Bluetooth dual mode mechanical keyboard. So, this is the box, and I've already taken the keyboard out. Oh, by the way, it's Ajazz X Nacodex. I have absolutely no idea, but that sounds good. So I've already taken it out, it's right up here, but I wanted to get the keys out. So it comes with a key puller and a nice white cable, which is right over yonder. This little guy right here. Very nice, very nice. All good, color combinations. So here is the keyboard, and you might be saying, well, wait, these are keys. These are keys. Well, what's all the keys? Okay, so this keyboard, I actually replaced the key set on them with a PBT set from Akko, and that set is right here. So this is the Akko 909 Retro set. I got this to put on to a full-size keyboard, and then I got this Ajazz, and I was like, well, I might try that. And to be honest with you, I really like the overall aesthetic of this. I got the RGBs on. I'll turn the light off in a sec, but man, the Akko fonts are just so nice. Oh my, so nice. And then, so the keys that it comes with are PBT, actually, with an excellent matte texture, and but they also have it's a double shot, right, with the ABS, I guess, see-through, shine through. Now, the thing about these type of caps is that, like, for instance, when they have, say, like a B character, well, a character where there's like an internal blocked part where the light can't shine, they have to include like a little tab to keep that in there for the double shot to work. So you end up with these funky looking characters that it actually triggers me tremendously. I don't like it, but these keys are as good as it gets for this type of shine through. They are PBT. They are, I suppose you could get thicker ones, I suppose, but overall I like these a lot. The texture is quite good, and the font is okay for what they are. And they do give you some really cool extra color keys. So let's look at those. We got some shifts. We got some FN, and escape. And by the way, if I put these keys back on it, I would probably use these. The only reason I didn't is because the font doesn't match on the Akko set. But very playful, nice and colorful, extra keys. Kind of like a rainbow schoolyard type of thing going on there. I love them, love them. So I just wanted to show you those. And let's see, so like that's, what is that, an enter key? Backspace, yeah, backspace. Cool. All right, so let's talk about the keyboard a little bit. Okay, features. Features. Feet. One level of adjustable feet. Rubbers to keep it not going anywhere. Manual on-off switch. So you do that, and your RGBs go off. And you do have USB-C, obviously. Everything does. So we'll turn it back on. And then we got a couple extra little cool keys up here. We got this one, which changes between Bluetooth and USB. And then we got this one, which changes between the light level with the little scrolly bar here. Let's see, yeah. So that's the brightness of the light, or volume, which does in fact work. Very nice. All right, let's pull a key. So I ordered this with browns, quote unquote browns, and I did a bunch of research and I couldn't really figure out what the heck the browns were. But turns out they are actually, I believe, I asked the manufacturer, they are custom Ajazz brown keys. And I like them. I really do like them. They're excellent keys. Let me put this back on here. So, in terms of feel for these browns versus cherry browns, which I have a lot of experience with, also K870T browns, which are okay, not my favorite. I love these browns. They have a slightly higher activation than cherry browns, a little bit more weight, a little harder to hit, and I always reverse the space bar because I'm a touch typist. But they're very smooth, maybe slightly less scratchy than cherry browns, and slightly higher force required. There is a nice steel plate inside of this. The stabs are lubed, no kidding. I think you can tell immediately, those are lubed. So that makes me incredibly happy. And what's the price for this? So for getting the keycaps, let's say stock keys, this thing is, get it right, I think it was $55, maybe $58. It's cheap. It has plastic build, but I feel like they even put some dampening stuff in it. It's not like, it doesn't feel hollow and sad at all. It's actually really good. So then the Akko keycap was $50 set, and that's for a full size 108. So as you're seeing this right now, this is about $95, which is like, damn, that's a good deal. And also just the fact that the brown key switches are so nice. Like, I really like this keyboard. Like, I couldn't. Oh, and also, so the RGB lights. Let me turn my lights off just so you can see that a little better. 1 second. Find the right cable. There we go. All right. There we go. Now, immediately what I like about these RGBs is, I'm not sure what they do to make this happen, but they don't pulse. Like if I wave my hand in front of this, you don't see like a flickering pulsing effect. And I noticed some keyboards, as you move your eyes around, you see that, and it's actually really off-putting. It's like a fluorescent light. You know what I mean by that kind of effect? I don't like it. Anyways, so it doesn't have this. It's one of the most solid, smooth RGB lighting effect boards I've seen, which I just like that. So let's see, some lighting effects. There's not a whole lot of them, maybe more than I thought, but it's like maybe like 4 per key or something like that. Swipies, up and down. It's like a toilet bowl swirly. Sparklies, or whatever, rain. Kind of wish there was more stuff you could do as far as the lighting effects, but as it is, it's very nice just with the color cycling RGB, honestly. Kind of like, what is it, this one? Yeah, the swirl is my favorite. So yeah, and then there's the Bluetooth, flawless. I had no problems. It charges, of course, here, and then the RGB turns off after like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I didn't quite measure it, but the next time you tap the keyboard, it turns back on. So as of right now, the battery life on this has been fantastic. Like days, if not a week. Yeah, I think I've been running this for a week and it hasn't died on me yet, so that's like, wow. Amazing. I don't know how big the battery is exactly. Let me see. Does the box say? 2,000 milliamp hours, I believe. So that's decent. Pretty good. Anyways, so stock format with these keys is going to be like $55, maybe 58, something like that. Highly recommended. You cannot get yourself a better keyboard for that price that I know of. I'm really serious. That price is just as good as it gets. And then if you want to include these gorgeous keycaps, the Akko Naturals, these ones, what is it? Retro. Die subbed OEM, yeah. $55 or $50 for this. So this is a like $95, $98 setup here. And like, I just absolutely adore this. I can't possibly recommend it higher. I think that stabs, PBTs, steel plate, lubed stabs, what else? Bluetooth, USB, nice cool little knobby knobs. Dude, give me a break. Ajazz is killing it on this one. So highly recommend, get yourself one of these. Have a great day.